How to recover deleted files from SD card on Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's get started. Method 1. You can recover lost files without a PC by using Google Drive. If you have Google Drive app, you need to launch it. Search for deleted files in your drive and once found, download them back to your device. If you use other cloud services like Dropbox or OneDrive, you can follow a similar process to restore your files. Method 2. You can simply recover deleted photos or videos using Google Photos. So you need to make sure that you install Google Photos app and launch it. Now you have to look for a library option and select the trash button. If you don't have that option, then you can find it on the old version and you have to browse through the deleted files, select the ones you need and tap restore. So simply the last method to recover files is simply you can recover files from an SD card using an PC. So you can remove the SD card from your phone and connect to a computer using a card reader. Then download and launch the third-party softwares like iMyFone on your PC, and you have to simply select your SD card as the recovery target, and then you can the program will perform an all-round scan of your card. Then once the scan is completed, you can easily choose the file you want to recover and then recover it. And that's it. These are the three ways to recover deleted files from SD card on Android phone. Hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.